front of me is Vivo IQOO 5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it through Bluetooth. Firstly, you need to access settings. Now click on Bluetooth over here and tap on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature to turn it on. Now you need to wait for available devices to show and tap on the one that you wish to connect to. In my case, that one. In order to continue, you need to select Confirm in this pop-up and then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my smartphones were successfully connected. If you want to disconnect them, you need to click on the pseudo icon next to the device and tap on Unpair. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!